Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore backup and how to transfer data on your REALME GT7T. Alright, so let's begin. In the beginning I would say that I have a few methods that I want to show you. First method is how to transfer data from your old device into your REALME. Second thing will be how to restore the backup from the Google one. And the last thing will be how to restore the backup from your computer if you have created it before. Also, if you don't know how to create all of those backups, on our channel there is a video when I'm showing you how to do it, so if you want you can look for it. So now let's begin. As you can see, we are doing the setup process. We need to first select the language, click on the next. Now select your region, then click on next once more. And now we have the first thing that we are interested in, and it's set up using another device. Now we need to select, in my case of course, the Android device, but first I need to unlock my phone. And it doesn't want to. I don't know why it's lagging. Alright, now it should be fine. Now let's click on Android device. As you can see already on our second phone we have information that we can begin a setup. So let's click on setup. Now both of the phones are going to connect, and now we need to scan this QR code using our second device. So simply scan the code, and now I need to verify using the pen from this device. Okay, click on OK. Now as you can see it's connecting automatically into the Wi-Fi. So we need to wait until it's finished. Okay, getting your phone ready. We have that information on the screen. Now it's checking the information. So let's simply wait. Okay, and now we have option to copy data from Android device. We need to click on next. Okay, getting ready to copy. This might take a few minutes, so we need to wait a little bit until it's finished. Okay, and now we have the possibility to choose what we want to copy. As you can see, we can copy apps, photos and videos, music and all the audio, messages, device settings and the call history. But for example, when it comes to the apps, you don't need to copy all 34 of them. You can simply click and manually you can select or unselect the apps that you are interested in or not. So, for example, in my case, I don't want any of my apps to be copied. I only want photos and videos and that kind of stuff. Click on copy. Okay, as you can see now the copying process has started. Now we can select the unlock method. If you want, you can do it right now, because in my case I'm going to do it later. Now we have the Google services. In here simply scroll down and click on accept. Now we have option to backup our device. I suggest you should enable those options and click on turn on backup. But of course it's completely up to you. And now we have possibility to choose the browser and the search engine. Click on next, and now select your default browser. In my case it's gonna be the Google Chrome. Then click on set as default, and now select your search engine. I'm gonna use Google. Okay, now click on continue. Now you have the Gemini, which is the AI assistant. And now you need to simply, if you want, of course, you can turn it on or click on no thanks. Remember that you can always turn it on later in the settings, if you don't do it now. Now, although I'm gonna skip the Google Pay, and in here I'm gonna click on no thanks. Okay, as you can see the process is still running, so we need to wait until it's finished. So I'll see you once it's done. Alright, as you can see the copying has been done. Simply click on done. Okay, now click on next. Scroll down, click on agree. Now select the navigation method. It can be buttons or the gestures. I'm gonna leave the gestures, then click on done. Click on get started. And now we are ready to use our device. But please don't disconnect from the Wi-Fi yet, because some of the apps might still be being installed from the Play Store, so simply wait until it's finished. And yeah, simply wait. Okay, so that was the first method, and now let me show you how to restore the backup from the Google one. Alright, and now let me show you how to restore the backup from the Google one. Now, when you have a possibility to set up using another device, we need to click on skip. Right, now we need to connect to the Wi-Fi manually, so now simply select your Wi-Fi that you're interested in, and now type your password. Okay, then click on OK. Now click next. Okay, now we need to wait a little bit, so let's be patient simply. Okay, now click on next, and now we need to select that we cannot use other device. Click on OK. And now we need to log into the same Google account on which we made the backup earlier. It is really important, because otherwise if you type other mail in here, you won't have possibility to restore your backup. So now let me log in. Of course, remember that on our channel we have a video when I'm showing you all the ways to create a backup, and in that video there is also how to create a backup by Google one. And now type your password, then click next. Okay, in here click on next, click on agree. Alright, now we need to wait a little bit. Okay, and that's the thing that we wanted to achieve. Restore data from another device. And in here, as you can see, we have a list of the backups that are stored on our Google account. And now simply select the backup that you're interested in. As you can see, 1 hour ago I made a backup for on my REALME, so I'm gonna select that one. And now we need to simply choose what we want to restore. When it comes to the Google Photos, Gmail, Calendar and Drive, as you can see, those things will be synced automatically. And below we can select the apps, contacts, device settings and the call history. For example, when it comes to the apps, you don't need to copy all 54 of them. You can simply click and manually select the apps that you are interested in. Alright, and now once everything is selected, click on restore. Now the process will start. Now we have the unlock method. I'm gonna skip it. Now everything that I'm doing here right now is the same like I was doing in the previous method, so I'm gonna simply rush it through. In here, in my case, I like to turn on the backup. Now click on next, select your default browser, and just like before, in my case Google Chrome, Google as my search engine, boom, set as default. We can click on continue setup. We have the Gemini. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna skip the Google Pay though. In here I'm gonna click on no thanks. Alright, getting your phone ready. And now we have possibility to enter the SIM. Then click on next. Click on more. Click on agree. Select the navigation method. Click on done. Click on get started. And now we are ready to use our device. But remember not to disconnect from the Wi-Fi yet, because some of the apps might still be installed from the Google Play Store. Okay, so that was the second method, and now let me show you how to restore the backup from the PC. Alright, so now let me show you how to restore the backup from your PC. Now, first, you need to connect your device using the USB-C cable into your PC or laptop. Now open the notification bar and here click on right in here and make sure that you are using file transfer. Select file transfer and now on our PC we need to get into the file explorer, get into this PC. Now find your REALME, click on internal shared storage, and now click on Android, data. In here find backup restore. You can see it right in here. Click on here, get into the backup, and now simply copy the backup that you have made before. Simply drag all of those folders into the second folder. Select do this for all current items, click on yes. Okay, now the data is being copied, so we need to simply wait. Okay, we are almost done. Okay. Alright, now we can close that stuff in the on the computer, and now we can also unplug our phone. We can now click on settings and now get into the system and update, backup and reset, backup and migrate, local backup, boom, and now as you can see our backup has been successfully transferred. We can click on right in here, we can click on start, and now as you can see the restoring process is running. It is almost done. Okay, 99%. Okay, we can click on done, and as you can see restoration has been completed. Click on done, boom, and now backup has been successfully restored. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.